Feels like all the songs have probably all been sung, but I wanna bring you something true, something that moves you.
Oo, many times I've been thinking, pero kanang, there's this call from the Lord ba na we promise to each other na dili jud mi mo give up.
Just back my mind, we keep holding on dyan as a married couple.
Oo, lalo na pagka yung, kasi hindi man maiwasan sa mag-asawa yung magkatampuhan, na paglalabanan, basta andyan lagi humihingi kami ng tulong kay Lord.
Yes, tama, no? Pero ako, nagkamali talaga ako noon. Pero tinanggap ko na ako nagkamali. Kaya yun, humingi akong tawad sa kanya. Salamat ako na pinatawad niya.
I love you, I love you, I love you, I do. And I'm sure the angels sing beautiful melodies, but I wanna bring a song that's mine for the rest of my life.
We think of our kids kasi ginamodel mi sa among mga kids. So kung unsay makita nila sa amua, in the future maupod to ang ilahang ipakita sa ilahang wives. Dili mi mo give up because even the Lord wala ni give up sa among relationship.
We have 2 children, never give up. Straightforward, go forward, and move forward.
Dahil sa mga anak ko, kasi mahal ko ang pamilya ko eh. Kasi tao lang man kami, di ba? Nagkakamali, pero kung sabihin mo yung para sa pamilya, mahirap eh pag walang papa. Importante yun eh sa pamilya. Kaya handa at handa talagang magpatawad.
All it took was a little flame, a little flame. All it takes is a little faith, a little faith. What a joy, what an honor that I can say I get to wake up to your beautiful face. All it took was a little flame, a little flame. All it takes is a little.
I promise to be more patient with you. I promise to listen to you, and I promise to respect you.
I promise to give all my best.
From the dawn to the dusk of my days, from the depths of my soul and with all of my strength, here is my heart and just one phrase: I love you, I love you, I love you. When I say it, I mean it, it's true. And I hope you can see it in all that I do.
Ang sasabihin ko talaga pag ikakasal kami uli, I promise na mamahalin talaga kita. Kapag
oh, I love you and you, and it's nothing new.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon, hindi magbabago yan. Ang pagmamahal ko sa iyo.
I love you, I love you, I love you.